enters an age of biotechnology, there is emerging evidence that China is distorting biotechnology markets and is quickly ascending to the dominance in the field, having made it strategic priority for the last 20 years, according to the United States National Security Commission on the Emerging Biotechnology. In a report submitted to the United States Congress, the Commission warned that China is likely to weaponize the biotechnology and may create genetically enhanced super soldiers powered by the artificial intelligence or AI. To remain competitive, the United States must take swift action in the next 3 years, otherwise we risk falling behind, also a setback from which we may never recover, said the report. Also, that was released earlier this week and was based on 2 years of research and consultation with the private and public experts. It is certain that a biotechnology revolution is coming. The Commission reiterated that there will be a ChatGPT moment for biotechnology, and if China gets there first, no matter how fast we run, we will never be able to catch up, it warned. The world is entering the age of biotechnology, a time when the biology is the basis of innovation, the report says in a sober analysis, stressing that every strategic sector, including defense, healthcare, agriculture, energy, and manufacturing, can be advanced by biotechnology but also breached by it. The Commission's research indicates that China is likely to follow the same playbook with biotechnology as it has with the other strategic technologies, the report said. First they steal, then they scale. Once they have cornered the market, they strangle, it said, pointing to the Chinese restriction on the gallium and the germanium in 2024 that has disrupted the US semiconductor production. Noting that the United States allies and partners offer unique capabilities, the report referred to India, which it says is prioritizing the cost-effective biomanufacturing, particularly of the vaccines. We must do to take advantage of our partners' unparalleled strength, which could include entering into the reciprocal data sharing agreements or pooling demands for the biotechnology products, it said. Particularly focusing on biotech in the defense domain, the Commission said it has every reason and all the reasons to believe that the Chinese Communist Party, that is CCP, will weaponize the biotechnology.